Hey guys, welcome back to Benos Esther Malka's channel. In the last video, I introduced a story on why letter sounds come first before letter names. If you have any questions or are interested, check out the description box below because I'm going to leave a link to the playlist on making literacy fun and easy for your kids. Today's video is we are going to focus on letter sounds. Now, letter sounds, I cannot tell you how super important they are. And I'll tell you why. I had a child who, I'm telling you, in my class that she got tested, should have been put in a gifted program. Now, when this child came to me to read, it was ba-uh. I'm like, can you show me what a ba-uh is? And the child showed me this letter. And then when I gave the word, let's say big, the child read a ba-ig. And I'm like, what? So, call me a letter purist if you want. But let me tell you, when you teach a child the letter sounds and they are new to the letter sounds, it is so important that you stick to the letter sounds. You don't add any consonants, you don't add any vowels, you don't add anything. The letter sound is exactly as it is, the sound the letter makes. One more tip is, I have over here, we have the uppercase alphabet, lowercase and the uppercase. For the sake of your home teaching, I cannot emphasize enough, start with the lowercase alphabet. Because let's face it, almost any book you're going to give to your child will have lowercase letters. For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the uppercase alphabet just because they're easier to see. As you can tell here, we have, this is less visible and this is more because of the contrast. So, like I said, I'm going to hold up a letter and go over the pure sound. And these are the sounds you should be teaching your kids. Now, to take this further, there are tons of activities. So like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our playlist because every Sunday I'm going to upload a new video for you on how to use these. These are called sandpaper letters, but more on that in the next video. So here we go. A, A. B, B, K, K, D, D, E, E, G, G. I, I, J, J, K, K, U, U, Mm, A, A, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, A, A, V, V, U, U, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Now, just a few tips. I know this can be super confusing. When you pick a game or anything to teach your children, there are a few letters to be mindful of. The first is the letter G. The letter G is so tricky because you'll say the word G and it makes a G sound. Now, when I pick a game, and I have a bunch of fantastic games, I actually donated a lot of them recently, and I'll tell you why. Because they had things like giraffe. Now, when I'm teaching a child to read, giraffe is not the sound of the G. Same goes for vowels. E, eh. We have to teach our children the purest form of the letter. Because like I said, if you follow me, you will see there are so many English rules and it will make sense. But the key is become a letter purist first, and then we'll deal with all the other extras, and your child will have success. If you want to see more games, ideas, tricks, and we are going to do a full exploration of these sandpaper letters, well, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out below for the complete playlist of how to teach children phonics, reading, and writing. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, don't forget to head over to my Instagram account where I will personally answer any of your questions or comments. And hey, you never know, maybe make another series for you guys. Happy playing.